of nodes and links. Isn't it crazy that in 2018, we're not even fazed when a £12 billion project overruns by 30%? I mean, imagine you're the people funding that and thinking, this is quite complicated. I'll put, say, £3 billion aside, and that should cover everything. But then it doesn't, and you're hit with that bill. You know, it's not anybody's fault. Major projects are extremely difficult things to deliver. Look at this. This is a visualization of a project worth only £250,000. The nodes are the tasks and the links are the dependencies. Can anybody here tell me which pieces are the most important? No? Well, neither can I, and I used to manage these. Okay, let's all hold up. We've got a problem. Something's gone wrong. Do we care? I don't know. What about that one? What if I told you that one of these problems cost £10,000 and the other cost £1 million? Every project in the world is exposed to these kinds of risks, and we call it complexity. But there's no other way to deal with them other than to put big budgets aside. People can't solve this problem, and no tools exist that can help us. $600 billion. That is the amount spent on project risk per year globally, and it's growing. At Nodes and Links, we have developed the first tool to help people understand and manage this complexity. Using our software, any manager can tell which piece of any project may make the whole thing fall apart in real time and as everything moves and shifts. We can save them millions across every industry. And that 600 billion that I spoke of earlier, we will take a share of that. But I'm sure you're wondering, if this problem's so massive, why has no one solved this before? 2 reasons. First, the fall in the price of computing power has made this practical. And second, the science has only literally got to the place where this could be solved. And Christos, my co-founder and CTO, I put that first one in this morning, he hasn't managed to change it yet. But Christos is one of the people leading the academic effort around the world. He has a PhD in complex systems and has spent the last 6 years bringing the science of connectivity from epidemiology into projects. And my experience? I built nuclear submarines at BAE Systems, where I managed large-scale defense projects. Advising us, we have Dr. Naoki Masuda, the man who has literally written the textbooks on complexity. And as of just last month, Chris Mayers has joined as our chairman. Our software works on real projects right now. This is a trial that we're currently conducting in the energy sector, and our next paid trial is in the defense sector on a project worth over £1 billion. And our pipeline is growing. But we don't just want to stop with understanding complexity, because that would be boring. You see, the more people use our software, the more we will understand how projects really work. And the more we do that, the more value we can add. We want to make complexity a strength. And for that reason, today, we're raising £1 million. At Nodes and Links, we're creating a world where we are the default way of managing complex risks on any major project in every industry. If you would like to be part of that world, then please come and speak with us. I'm Greg, and we're Nodes and Links. Thank you.